Hello guys, welcome back to CAD Make. In today's video we are going to design a pulley, V-belt, its assembly and animation with the help of using essential features and commands. We'll also assign material and customize appearance to give our model a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the right plane. Take the center line command. Draw a vertical line and one horizontal line passing through origin point like this. Click Exit. Now take the line command and draw a rough sketch like this. Draw a horizontal line. Then draw vertical line. Again draw a horizontal line. Then vertical line. Horizontal line. Then draw an inclined line. Again draw a horizontal line. Now vertical line. A horizontal line in opposite direction. Again an inclined line and the last one meted to the center line. Click Exit. Now select half of this sketch like this. Click on Mirror Entities. Click here and select this line as a reference. Click OK. Here we see we have mirrored the sketch perfectly. Now take Line command and close the sketch like this. Click Exit. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the value from this line to this one as 70 mm. Click OK. Distance from center line to this line is 40 mm. Click OK. Vertical distance from this line to this one is 146 mm. Click OK. Distance between this line and this one is 130 mm. Click OK. Vertical length between this line and this one is 120 mm. Click OK. Distance from here to this line is 100 mm. Click OK. Length from this vertical line to the center line is 10 mm. Click OK. Total length of this line is 40 mm. Click OK. Distance from this point to the center line is 7 mm. Click OK. Total distance from this line to the center line is 32 mm. Click OK. Make the sketch rearrange and make it a little normal like this. Again take the Smart Dimension command and give the angle from center line to this line as 25 degrees. Click OK. Zoom out. Now take the sketch a little bit above the center line like this. Reset all the up and down dimensions one by one like this. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the distance from this line to this one as 12 mm. Click OK. Here the angle is 25 degrees. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now select this line, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this one. Make them parallel. Click OK. Select this point, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this one. Make them vertical. Click OK. Here we see our sketch is fully defined. Now go to the features and click on Revolved Boss command. Click here and select the sketch. Click here and choose this center line as an axis of revolution. Click OK. Zoom out. Click isometric to make it normal. Go to the visual styles and remove the shaded mood. Here we see it looks perfect. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Select this edge. And this one. Click Convert Entities. It will create circles. Now take the corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle here like this. Click OK. Take the center line command and draw a line from origin this circle quadrant like this. Click Exit. Now select the line midpoint, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select Circle Quadrant. Make them coincident. Zoom out. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the dimension to this rectangle as 20 mm, click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Take the Trim Entities command and erase all these extra lines like this. Also erase this circle and this one from here like this. Zoom in. Click OK to accept. Now take the Circular Pattern command. Click here and select the origin point. Give the pattern number as 5. Now click here and select all these line entities one by one like this. Click OK. Go to the features, click on Extruded Cut command. Choose here through all. Click here and select all these contours like this. Click OK. Here we see it looks perfect and amazing now. Press Ctrl+7 to make it normal. Now go to the appearance. Click on Metal. Click Nickel and choose the brushed nickel. It looks amazing now. Go to the background scene and select plain white. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Go to the visual style and select the shaded mode. Zoom in. Now go to the background scene and select plain white. Select this whole diameter. Take the chamfer command. Give the chamfer value as 2 mm at 45 degrees angle. Click OK. Here we see we have created chamfer on both sides of this hole. Again go to the visual styles and remove the shaded mode. Now go to the File menu. Click on Save. Give the destination folder. Give the file name. Click Save. I hope you enjoyed. Now we are going to jump into the video interesting part, which is assembly and animation. In this video we will learn parts assembling and its motion study in detail. Let's begin. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Assembly. Click OK. Click here to close this tray. First we have to set the axis. Go to the reference geometry. Click Axis. Choose here right plane and top plane. Click OK. As we clicked here, the axis is going invisible. To make it visible, go to the Hide Unhide section and click on Axis again. Now go to the reference geometry. Click on plane. Select the right plane. Give the distance value as 700 mm. Zoom out. We have created a new plane as here we see. Click OK. Now we will draw axis on it. Go to the reference geometry. Click axis. Go to the part setting and choose here top plane. Click OK. Here see we have created axis 2. Now click on Insert Components. Click Pulley 1. Place it somewhere in the working area like this. Zoom out. Now right-click on Pulley. Click Float. We can now easily move it anywhere like this. Now click on Mate command. Select this hole and axis 1. Click OK. Again select this surface and select the front plane. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now hold Ctrl button and click on Pulley, drag it to make a copy like this. Take the Mate command. Select this hole and axis 2. Click OK. Make it normal like this. Now select here Pulley surface. Go to the part setting and click on front plane. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. It looks perfect. Rotate like this. Go to the assembly features and click on belt and chain. Choose here this surface and this surface. Select Create Belt Part. Click OK. Again click on Save and Continue. Give the part name and destination folder. Click Save. Escape. Press Ctrl+7 button to make it normal. Rotate. Make it normal little like this. Now click here. Right-click on belt. Click Open Part. Here we are going to create a belt. Make it normal like this. Now click on right plane. Click Sketch. Here we will create a belt sketch. For this purpose we will go to the pulley. In Revolve right-click on Sketch. Click Edit Sketch. Here select all these 3 lines like this. Press Ctrl+C button to copy these 3 lines. Click Finish. Make it normal. Now go to the belt part. Press Ctrl+V button to pass the sketch we have copied. Rotate a little bit like this. Zoom in. Go to the sketch. Take the line command and draw a line to close the sketch. Click Exit. Now take the Smart Dimension command and label the dimensions on all the sides of this sketch one by one, same as it is like this. Click OK. Zoom in. Select midpoint, press Ctrl or Shift button and select this point. Make them coincident. Click OK. Sketch is not fully defined. Type here fully defined sketch. Click on it. Now select the sketch like this. Click Calculate. Click OK. Now it is fully defined. Now go to the features and click on Swept Boss command. Sketch is already selected here we see. Just click here and select this line as a path. Click OK. Press Ctrl+7 to make it normal. Now go to the appearance. Click Painted. Click Car. Choose the red color. We have created a perfect beautiful V-belt. Now we will go back to the pulley and belt assembly file. Click Yes to accept the changes we made. To hide these axes, go to Hide Unhide. Just click on it and it will disappear. Here we see we have designed an amazing belt pulley drive mechanism. Now go to Views. Click on Front View. Zoom it. Click here. Click on Toolbars. Select Motion Manager. Now click Motion Study. Zoom in. Here open the settings. Drag this key to 12 seconds. Click on Setting. Give here the frame rate as 300. Click OK. Now click on Motor. Click this face. Rotation is anticlockwise. Change the RPM to 300. Click OK. Click Calculate. Wait a little to calculate the motions. Calculating completed. Minimize it. Now just click on to play. Here we see the perfect animation of belt pulley drive. It enough for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thank for watching.